what we're looking at are more the traditional economy, because in terms of really the innovation capabilities, US is good at source science, at applied industrial research, but the West in general, but a lack of scaling. And China is very good at the second and third one of applied science to get with the objective of scaling. So that, and because of the downtrend of the economy and all the pessimism, that nurtured the strongest manufacturing companies that over the last 8 years, not 5 years, 8 years since the first trade war, the strongest industrial companies who have already changed their global organization of manufacturing capabilities. They have gone very global, very deeply global, like stars scattered themselves into a galaxy rather than a North Star that's located in Jiangsu province, which is the largest automated manufacturing base of China and maybe the world. So all these companies, this is a trend, we call it a globalization. So the world trade has actually been growing consistently about 3%, except it's not a big circle from the West demand to China. It becomes blobs of regions. If we put on the world map, I don't have the chart here, we recently just did that study. Each of the blocks of regional markets, there are eight or nine of them if we can put them on a map. In aggregate, growing at 3%, that is huge. So that manufacturing has gone global, but it's managed by these decentralized industrial companies. So that's another fact, ballpark number. The top 50 Chinese companies and top 50 S&P companies has almost a similar percentage of around 35 to 40% of revenue globally. And among these biggest companies of each of these two major power, China actually still produce the highest number of companies that grow north of 10% of revenue. And this is some hidden but powerful truth under the headline of the concern still of a debt crisis, property, demographics, etc., etc. But in terms of investors, who do you invest with? You invest with the strongest company that can grow north of 10% with 40% of global revenue, and many of them are industrial.